Take a look at this Pinterest account. They share Amazon gadgets as an affiliate and receive millions of monthly views. A similar approach on YouTube shows impressive results too. One video alone has gathered 27 million views. In that video, we talk about $10 pencil available on Amazon. Amazon's typical commission rate for home products is about 3%, so that's around 30 cents per pencil sold. Not a huge amount on its own, but here's the surprising part. If only 1% of those 27 million viewers bought this pencil, that would mean 270,000 sales. This translates to about $81,000 in commissions from just one video. Amazing, right? If it worked for them, it can work for you too. To get started, find a trending TikTok video that showcases a popular Amazon product. So to do that, just go to TikTok and search for keywords like Amazon finds. Click enter, and these searches will lead you to videos featuring high interest products such as these ones. Next, just focus on finding a product that meets a common need or solves a practical problem. For instance, a portable printer is an ideal solution for people needing a quick on-the-go printing capabilities, whether for travel, remote work, or convenience, making it a strong option to promote. After finding a product that stands out, check the comments. If people are expressing excitement, discussing its usefulness, or asking where to buy it. For example, this comment, how can I get one? Or this one, how much is it? Need that? These type of comments. Once you've chosen a product, just copy the video link, open up a new tab, and go to snaptic.app to download this video without any watermarks. Just paste your link over here, click on download, and download once again. Just close this ad and your video will be downloaded to your computer. Next, just open the video you downloaded to locate the product name. You can capture the picture of this item. You can scroll a bit to find the best image you can take and take a screenshot just like this of this exact product. Copy this, open up a new tab, go to Google Images, open this, click on this icon over here, search by image. And now you can paste image link or just paste your image, just like I did. Doing this way, Google will show you similar images, helping you identify the exact product name. In this case, it's a portable printer's wireless for travel. You can copy the name or just click on this Pinterest pin. And if you can't tell already, this Pinterest user is already promoting this product. So it's probably a good one. So we can just open up an Amazon account straight from there. You can close this tab, and just take a look at this product. This is the exact same product we chose to promote. Here's the key step. Many Amazon product listings include demo videos that showcase how the item works, just like this one at the bottom of other images. And these videos are often free to use. To download them, you'll need to add an extension to your browser. Open up a new tab and type in Video Downloader Professional. Click enter and choose the first link and click on Add to Chrome. Add an extension and install it. This tool allows you to download demo videos directly from Amazon store, and just let me show you how it works. Once you downloaded this extension, just pin it to your browser just like this. Go back to your Amazon account, refresh the store, and now just click on the extension and take a look at all of these videos. Browse through the videos. You can browse through them and save the ones you find most relevant. Now you need to copy the URL address of this product from Amazon, and in the next step I'll guide you on how to turn this URL into a unique, engaging video using AI. With the product videos and URL in the hand, I'll demonstrate how to easily create viral content using Wondershare Verbo's AI montage maker. This AI tool is a game changer. All you need to do is upload the Amazon URL and it will automatically generate a full promotional video, including a script, voiceover, realistic AI avatars, and dynamic photos. Just let me explain how it works. First, I've included the website link in the description, so just go and click on it to go directly to the site. Verbo offers a desktop version, an online version, and even a mobile app, giving you the flexibility to choose how you want to use it. For now, we'll focus on the desktop version. It's really simple, just click download free to get the desktop version, install it, and you're all set. At the top you'll find several powerful AI tools like AI Script, Talking Photo, AI Montage Maker, URL to video, Video Translate, and so on, all designed to make content creation quick and easy. You also have access to a wide range of human-like AI avatars to make your videos more engaging and realistic. Additionally, there are pre-made templates across various categories that make it easy to create professional, eye-catching content in just a few clicks. It's a truly an all-in-one tool that simplifies the video creation process. To get started, simply click login and sign up for free using your email. Once you're logged in, click on URL to video to access the dashboard. Here you'll find AI tools that support video creation for multiple platforms such as Amazon, Shopify, eBay, and others. For this example, we'll be using Analyze Link option, paste the Amazon URL we copied earlier into the input box and click on Analyze URL. After you click, the AI will automatically pull the content from the product URL and allow you to choose which images to include in your video. You can remove any that aren't needed. Then upload the videos we downloaded previously. Just click on Add Media, find your videos, and just upload them. The artificial intelligence will generate a dynamic video using the images or videos you've uploaded. Now you'll see that the AI has compiled the product details to create a script. You can adjust or add any points you want. For the video size, select 9:16. For a vertical video, ideal for platforms like TikTok and YouTube Shorts or Pinterest. It's also a good idea to keep the video under 30 seconds, as shorter videos tend to engage viewers more effectively. Next, choose the language you want to use, and for the video type, select AI avatar and voiceover. So the AI generates a virtual person to present the product with a voiceover. Once everything is set up, click Generate Video to complete the process. The AI will now generate a viral video based on the product details, presenting 3 different promotional video options. Take a look at each one and select the one you prefer. To enhance the video further, click on Edit to make adjustments. Once on the editing page, you can modify any aspect of the video. You can tweak the script to suit your style. After finalizing the script, it's time to update the voiceover. Just click over here and I'll choose a male voice in English, selecting from a range of realistic AI voice options available. Now let's switch to a more realistic male avatar. To do this, right click on the current avatar and choose Replace. This will take you to the avatar selection area where you can explore various categories. While all avatars resemble real people, I suggest checking out the Fixed Background category. It offers natural, casually looking avatars that are ideal for this type of videos. After choosing your avatar, just click on the Apply to All storyboards, then OK. This will update the avatar across the entire video. You can now personalize the avatar to your preference. Options include cropping it into a circular shape, adjusting its position, or opting for a half-body view. Then you click on the timeline mode. You can adjust how long the avatar appears on the screen. It's a good idea to place the avatar at the key moments in your video to capture your viewers' attention. In addition to the avatar, you can also adjust the timing of the video clips and voiceovers, allowing you to fine-tune everything for a seamless flow. Here's a neat feature. If you're not satisfied with the script, you can easily modify it. Just go to the text mode and click on the T icon over here, and the new window will open up, allowing you to adjust the script to your liking. It's highly customizable. For instance, if you want it to sound more polished, simply select the Professional and you'll instantly have an improved script. On the right, you can change the background music, browse through different categories to find something that suits the mood, or upload your own track. Once you've selected the music, adjust its volume to ensure it complements the voiceover without overwhelming it. If you'd like to add subtitles, just simply turn on the subtitle option. Once enabled, just click directly on the subtitle in your video to access customization options. You can change the text style, choose a different font, adjust the size, and more. Now that everything is customized, it's time to export the video. Simply click on export and the software will begin processing and generating the video. Once the video is ready, just click on the download icon to save it to your desktop folder. The video has now been successfully exported and I'll show you the final result created by the AI.
Introducing the game changer for on-the-go professionals, the wireless portable printer that prints without ink. Watch as our lightweight wonder slips seamlessly into your tote bag, making printing a breeze wherever you go. Need to print from your phone? No problem. Send documents wirelessly in just moments. Straightforward and simple. Look at that crisp document coming out with clarity. The future of portable printing is right at your fingertips. And for those busy moments, here's our superstar in action, printing in the back seat while you conquer the world.
This is incredible. The way all the elements come together is so smooth and the avatar looks so natural while explaining everything. It feels like a real person is speaking to you. Now the video is ready, there's actually only one step left, that is publishing your video on Pinterest or other social media platforms. Posting your video on several social media platforms can significantly boost your earnings. However, I understand that doing it manually can be time consuming, and I've heard that Wondershare Verbo is planning to release a one-click publishing feature soon, allowing you to upload your video to YouTube and TikTok with just a single click. This update will save you a lot of time, so keep an eye out for it. In the meantime, continue posting consistently and trust that you'll start seeing results as time goes on. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe for future content, and don't forget to check out Wondershare Verbo in the link down below. See you in the next video.